Hi everyone, this video is an exercise 12J question E. So we want to sketch the graph of f-x, and first of all, for part E, we have a vertical asymptote at x is equal to 6. So this means the function is undefined when x is equal to 6. Therefore, the gradient is also going to be undefined when x is equal to 6. So because there is no gradient when x is equal to 6. So we can immediately sketch the vertical asymptote at x is equal to 6. And then we have two parts for the curves of f of x. So on the left hand side, we have this sort of exponential looking curve, and it is above the x-axis, which means basically it has a positive gradient. So that means in terms of its f dash x curve is going to be above the x-axis because the gradient is positive. And also in terms of the behavior, so it starts the gradient starts increasing at a rather slow rate, and then suddenly has a very rapid increase. So and then again it slows down when it gets to the asymptote. So interestingly, its f dash x curve is also going to have the same trajectory because it's positive, so it's definitely above the x-axis, and then the gradient basically starts increasing slowly and then has a significant increase and then obviously reaches the asymptote. So this is the first part. And then in terms of the second part, which is here, um, again, as you can see, the gradient is increasing. We have, positive gradient. So because we have a positive gradient here, we have positive gradient here, we also have positive gradient here. Its f dash x curve is going to be again above the x-axis. And in terms of its behavior, it starts basically from the asymptote with a slow increase, the gradient, and then suddenly has a rapid increase, and then reaches the basically x-axis. So this time, this graph is also going to be somewhat similar, but since that curve has a positive gradient, it's above the x-axis. So it's like this. So maybe let's try again to draw a better one. But yeah, maybe another one. Yeah, this one is better. Yeah, so this time, since it's positive, it's above the x-axis, and then it starts slowly and then has a rapid increase. And yeah, so that's basically um, the curve, and that's it for this video. So thank you for watching.